Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl here at Big Bubbly Beauty. It's great to see you all again. So I know my makeup is a little bit more heavy than I've ever done, and by little I mean a lot. As my friends like to say, a lottle, which is a little but you mean a lot. Anyways, so I just did a makeup video where I tried on a bunch of Sephora makeup that I'd bought. I bought a new palette, and so I'm going to link that up in the cards and down in the description box below, so you should go check that out. But I'm also very excited to open up this Causebox. And so I get this seasonally. It's a great box where all the stuff inside has a cause behind it. So they donate some of the proceeds to charity. They use ethical or sustainable materials. There's some very good stances behind the products in this box, which is why I love it. And it's actually not that expensive, and the quality of the products is so good. So let's get into it. This is the winter box. It is a little bit late, but I am in Canada, so sometimes the shipping is a lot longer, unfortunately, than people in the States, especially in California. So I have seen a few videos go up, and I've been trying not to watch them. I just know that mine is a little late, and it's just because it didn't get shipped to me until recently. So I'm sorry, guys. This is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, this is gorgeous, and it's so New Year's themed. I like that. That's adorable. As always, there's the little magazine that tells you about the products inside. We're not going to open up that yet. We're going to wait and see what the products we got are. Now, I did get some choice in some of the items, so I know some of what's in here, but some of the other stuff is in every box, and I don't know what it would be. So let's take a look. That is so gorgeous. Ugh. I don't know, this kind of coloring and stuff just speaks of cozy winter to me. And you guys should know at this point that I hate winter with a passion. I am very happy to be going on a trip to sunny, warm Dominican in a few weeks, and I will vlog that, and so that you guys can come with me. But I hate winter so much, and I am not a cold person, but this reminds me of the parts of winter that I like, which is snuggling up on the couch in a warm, cozy blanket with a cup of hot coffee or tea or cocoa and my animals around me, and just snuggling up and watching Netflix and basically being a bear and hibernating. Alright, let's see what's actually in this box. Okay, so this is the Hydrating Derme Night Cream with hyaluronic acid and green tea. And it says it's ethical beauty, GMO-free, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and recyclable. And it also has no parabens, no sulfates, and a lot of other no's. So it says your purchase supports global communities and the environment. I mean, that's pretty cool. Unfortunately, I have a lot of night creams at the moment, and I really don't use a lot because my skin reacts badly to a lot of different things. I don't know if I'm going to be using this. Ooh, okay. That packaging is cool. I like that packaging. That smells interesting. I don't know how I feel about that, but you know what? Maybe I will try this one because it's supposed to be super free of all sorts of chemicals, so maybe this one will actually treat my face nicely. We'll try it. I mean, in the winter, I am a dry prune, so I need some moisture, some more moisture. I think that's actually why my breakouts are worse, because I'm so used to keeping my skin not moist and not oily that I might strip it too much in the winter. And that might be why I break out more. So we'll try this at night. Maybe after my skin comes down a little bit though. Next. Okay, so these are mittens. I know that sound was a little weird to make for mittens, but I'm actually really excited because these are kind of like glove mittens. And I have a pair of these already, but I wasn't able to find them before. I just found them recently, but I had asked for this option when I didn't know where they were. And they're gloves, free fingers, and then this back part, which closes with a button here, but you can undo it, and then it becomes a mitten. So I find these really good because usually my problems are that the fingers get destroyed because I'm trying to do too much with my hands. So if I need to use my fingers, I'll just pull it off, and then when I need to scrape my car, I'll just put it back on. And these are really cute in color. I like these. So I picked these. I'm not quite sure what the other option was, but this was the best option for me. So that's why I picked them. Right, this was one of the other options. So I forget what the choice was, but you could get something or a hair clip, and I really wanted a hair clip set. So these looked really good. I'm not so much a fan of this one, but I really wanted this one here because, I don't know, it just spoke to me, you know? I obviously did not put that in correctly. Obviously, I'm going to take some figuring out on how to actually put this in my hair properly. Or is this supposed to be like a behind the head kind of one where you pull some stuff back? Probably that way, which would actually look really cool as kind of like a, you pull hair back and then you clip it kind of clip. See if I can do that just on the fly here. I don't know if I can, but we're going to try. That's cool. I like that. And I figured I could get more use out of this than the other options that were available. So I got it. It's a postcard, and it says, "And if you look closely, you will see hope is close, love is near, and all kindness can be found in all seasons." That's cute. Look at that. I sometimes don't like the postcards and I don't keep them, but I actually might keep this and put it on a little accent shelving wall that I'm going to be making. You will see it in upcoming videos. I haven't made it yet, but I bought some shelves. I'm going to put the little decor pieces I normally keep on my desk behind me, so that way my background doesn't look nearly as boring for you guys for future videos. So that is coming. I'm going to make my background way more exciting than it is right now, I promise. And this I actually think would look really good back there. So we're going to keep that. Next. So this is a Pure 4-in-1 correcting primer. So I've mentioned before, I don't usually use primers, but Pure and Dr. Brandt, I think, make primers that I actually like. And this one says, "Energize and rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics." And it's silicone free. So it's also a bit of a moisturizer maybe? I'm not sure. It says, "Smooth onto clean, moisturized skin, allow to dry, and then follow up with your favorite Pure foundation." So I'm going to try this at some point in another future makeup trial video, because apparently I like doing those now. And I have a good enough collection of makeup that I think I can experiment. It just requires more planning next time, because right now I've just been doing them with new stuff I buy and then doing it on the fly. But I actually think I want to do a video where I try following a makeup tutorial, and I might use this primer in that just to try it. Ooh. Okay, I saw a spoiler of these. I couldn't help it. One of my favorite YouTubers, Mikkel Jantz, is like, she got these and she loves them, and I was so excited for these. Oh my lord. So these are the Whitney Kearney for Causebox mugs. They are huge. They're like proper coffee mugs or tea mugs. They've got some pretty good heft to them actually. Like they're pretty thick, and I really like that design. And there's a pink one as well. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay, these I love. These are like really classy, but also really functional and just really pretty, and definitely going to be using these a lot. I might drink way too much coffee, but yeah, that's a story for another day. So we are on the last thing in this box, and whew, it's a big one. It's got pom-poms. Pom-pom. I'm not a child, I promise. Ooh, okay. So that's what it is. So this is by Imani Collective, artisan made, 100% cotton. I think it's a throw, or is it a scarf, or is it a shawl? There we go with our pom-poms. I feel like this is not supposed to be a shawl. Let's open up this magazine and actually see what this is about. So this time they actually tell you what the prices or value of the stuff is, which is actually kind of nice. So I could have gotten these mittens, which are $33, gold serving spoons, which are $39, or a jewelry box that's a travel box, which was worth $42. I already got a jewelry travel box, I think from FabFitFun, so I didn't want that one. And I don't see myself using gold serving spoons, so, and I actually needed a set of those mittens. So that decision was quite easy. And then with the hair clip set, that was $31. I could have gotten mix and match stud earrings, which were $30. However, my ear piercing holes have grown over, so I can't wear earrings at the moment. I need to get them re-pierced. So yeah, that was not a good option for me. These mugs came in every box, which I was very excited about, and they were $35. I love these. I normally don't pay that much for mugs. I'm actually kind of cheap, but I probably would pay that for these because they are just really good quality. They're heavy. And apparently the proceeds support victims of domestic violence. For the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, that was $34, and I could have gotten a daily hair vitamin, which was $30 instead. Now, I picked the primer because I haven't really found a primer that I truly love at the moment, and I have enough hair vitamins. So I really didn't need either of them, but I figured I could use the makeup one a little bit more, or at least have more use out of it for video-wise. It's an interesting way to look at it, but I could use it more for videos than I could the hair product, and I have enough of both of them. So kind of went with the primer. Derme Hydrating Night Cream was in every box, and it was $29.50. Finally, a freaking hydrating night cream that is not ridiculously overpriced. Like, that's actually a pretty, what I would call a pretty accurate, fair value for a hydrating night cream. I've seen these things in the boxes and they're like $80, $90. Like, who in their right freaking mind would spend that much on a moisturizer? That's a lot better. I actually am much happier with that now. Moving on, last but not least, this is a blanket. It's a blanket. It's not a shawl. It's a blanket. Oops. Well, I will use it to decorate my couch in my filming room, because if I leave it in my actual living room, my animals will tear it to shreds because it has pom-poms on it. They will take it, they will play with it, and this thing will not survive longer than 2 days. So let's just leave it down here where they're not really allowed unless I'm in here with them, which means that they can't destroy it because I'm watching them. Otherwise, they're not allowed in my filming room because there's just too much makeup and products, and I don't know what's in some of the boxes when I get them. I just don't want to put them at that risk. So I just keep them out unless I'm in here with them. So this will stay in here and be a decorative accent for my couch. So I have 2 videos planned. One is for when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and that is an empty house tour. For those of you who don't know, right before I started my channel, I moved, and my partner and I bought a house. This filming room is part of that new house. So I'm still decorating it, in the process of decorating it. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to post the empty house tour. And when I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to start posting the series of my decorated rooms. So hopefully by then I will have unpacked, and that will maybe give me motivation to unpack. So back to the actual throw blanket. It is a $120 value. As much as I think that's overpriced, I also understand where that's coming from, because it is loomed and hand finished by artisans, so it's not machine made. It is quite nice. It is quite high quality. So I can see where it's coming from. Would I pay that? Probably not. Would I try and gravitate toward this anyway? Also, probably not. It's not exactly my normal style, so I don't think I would naturally go for this, unfortunately. But it's still quite nice. I still like it. I'm gonna use it as a decoration. I think it's shedding though. Like, I can see all sorts of white fluff hanging in the air. Anyways, that was what was in this season's Causebox for the winter box. I love a lot of the stuff that's in here, but I also knew some of the stuff was coming, so I like that I got to customize it a little bit more this time, and that meant that I definitely knew I was going to love a lot of the stuff. So I have another pair of these mittens, which is amazing. I like the hair clips. I like the mugs. The mugs are amazing. Oh my god. Really love the mugs. I think the mugs are my favorite part of this, and that's kind of sad, but I still love the mugs. I like the primer. I mean, that one was kind of and I'm kind of about the night cream as well. And this is a nice decor piece. Do I think it's overpriced? Yes. Am I happy to have it as a decor piece? Yes. So, meh. I don't know what you guys thought about the value, but let me know down below whether or not you think it was worth it, what you think of each of the items, and what you would like to see in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. I always try to reply to any comments, so if you have any questions, just leave them down below. And I will see you next time, beautiful people. Bye!